In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tasks in Google Tasks. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to remove a single task, how to quickly clear a bunch of tasks at once, and what happens when you delete them so there are no surprises. Let's start with the simplest approach, deleting a single task. Open Google Tasks on your phone or computer. You can use the mobile app or the Tasks panel that appears alongside Gmail or Google Calendar. Once you're in, tap or click the task you want to remove to open its details. Look for the trash can or delete icon and select it. That's it. Your task is removed right away. There's no extra confirmation and no recycle bin to retrieve it from, so make sure you truly want it gone before you delete. Now, here's a quick method that many people prefer, especially if they like to clear out several items later. Delete by completing. Instead of deleting immediately, tap the checkbox next to a task. This marks it as done and moves it into the completed section. This is handy if you want to finish a group of tasks and clean them all up at once. When you're ready to permanently remove them, scroll down to the completed area and choose Clear Completed. That command deletes all tasks in the completed list in one go. If your goal is to remove multiple tasks quickly, that same approach works perfectly. Mark each task you want to remove as completed by tapping the checkboxes. Once you've marked everything you no longer need, head to the completed section and click Clear Completed. In just a second, all those marked tasks are permanently deleted. It's a great way to tidy up a long list without deleting items one by one. A very important note before you do any of this: deleted tasks cannot be recovered. Clearing completed is a permanent action. If you think you might need a record of what you finished, consider leaving tasks in the completed section instead of clearing them. If you're certain you're done, clearing completed is the fastest way to keep your list lean and current. To recap, open Google Tasks, delete a single task by selecting it and tapping the trash icon, or mark tasks as completed and use Clear Completed to remove many at once. Use these methods intentionally, and you'll keep your task list focused on what matters now.